if the network days function in Excel doesn't seem to be working, these could be some of the reasons. So you'll see here I've got two dates. I've created a network days function, start date, end date. The value error here is telling me that there's a problem with one of these dates. They are not actual dates. So the way to check this is if I highlight this area, I'm going to go Control 1 as if I want to format it. What should happen as I change the formatting type of date, that should change. And notice it doesn't. So Excel does not know that that is a date. It could be also, let's do this one. So you'll see this one's slightly different. Notice as I change, it is a date. However, network days needs both the start and end date to be valid Excel dates. Another reason you can be confusing what you're looking at. So to me, I'm trying to say 25th of December 2009 from the 1st of December 2009. So that to me should not be 2,100 days. But whenever you have only 2 digits for the year, there's a risk. So let's rather change it to a 4-digit year. And you'll see now, Excel thought that was 2001 and that was 2009. So just be careful about 2-digit years. Now there's a date format issue. So we've done our calculation. It seems to be working correct, but for some reason it's giving me a strange date. The issue here has got nothing to do with this. This is working correctly, but the cells it is on, we are expecting a number. So 20 or 30 or something like that. But these have been formatted as dates. So if I go Control 1, this shouldn't be formatted as a date. It should be as a general or number. So when I say OK, it tells me there's 19 working days between those two dates. Another problem could be something like this. We've got the dates written, but you can see they're written as a single number. Excel does not recognize this as a date, but it does recognize it as a number, and it tries to convert it into a date. But it's just too big a number. Excel cannot handle it. So these need to be corrected to be valid Excel dates. And the last possible thing here, I've made sure that my start and end dates are correct, but I've now included a holiday. And the problem is, let's just go to these. When I format them, they seem to react. So let's just change them to that. When I say OK, they both format. So Excel must recognize them as dates. But when I try and do the holidays, and maybe let's use that same format, you can see it didn't change. So if the format does not change, Excel does not think it's a date.